how the law created dual structure DM and SP, which has still been continued. Both sides, let's say, they do not help each other. Police, let's say, against public and public against police. It is a basic question of 1861 Act. No, not visible. Basic you should write it was colonial and police was considered as force, and then let's say lack of accountability system, state establishment. This though positive, negative you write, then write some positive also, that how the law created dual structure DM and SP, which has still been continued. This there is both criminalization of politics and politicization of criminals. That is the same statement like this. Challenges they cause for law and order administration. The rule by law rather than rule of law. This. Do you think that central police forces have proven the effective than state police force? Yes, they are more effective than state police force. Give your answer objectively in a critical way. This. You can tell that how that CRPF you can say, CISF you can say, NSG you can consider. They are efficient, that's why even in election duties also they are brought. When public order and it becomes security, let's say challenge, they are deployed. But उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Question is asked, let's answer. Right. More efficient basically ki state police service. The state police service is basically state police, let's say basically, right? This. More effective in the internal security challenges like not, but also let's say कि conflicts होता है, protest riots होते हैं, तो deploy किया जाता है. These are exceptional cases ना. Normal law and order maintenance है जैसे FIR complaint का files. No. We are talking paramilitary force. See, paramilitary force is deployed when, let's say, suppose any social conflict happens. Police is not able to manage. Basically, then let's say any riot happens, police is not able to manage. Then you bring that, they try to bring the situation into normal control. So that way we can consider like this. But critically analyze. When का कोई मतलब नहीं. तो वो पूछने का तरीका है उनका, ठीक है. तो then you can tell state police also कि they are also, let's say, some positive things also about Greyhound was state police. You know that कि Andhra Pradesh Greyhound was state police, but elite battalion. On that pattern, Cobra battalion was created. They have performed, but they need to improve largely. This is how I should tell this. Police public relation are a story of, let's say, sincere efforts make both sides. Both sides, let's say, they do not help each other. Police, let's say, against public and public against police. The public means people have also not made sincere efforts to bring, let's say, contribute and play their role. And police has also not made its sincere efforts to bring people, let's say, that in process of policing, etc., etc. Although there are some developments, we can write how community policing. But to bring them both together, there should be community policing like this. Thana's police station, there is a bastion of, let's say, waning British administrative legacy. Right. The Thana were created, police station created during British time, and then Thanas were largely known for, let's say, that enforcing law curtailing revolts, and many a time you know that ki torture, arrest, detention. So they were more, let's say that ki known for pursuing colonial agenda. But gradually police station is getting transformed into more democratic institution. The how police station is becoming more democratic institution. Soft, let's say, policing, community policing, you can say women police will find, plus a smart police station. The present government is promoting a smart police station. So they are just trying to, let's say that ki we are of that colonial legacy. That is how, that way you have to write on this. Oh, yes, but still we carry, this is how the negative side you can write, ki how there is police station, it is, let's say, wearing off, but at the same time still we have colonial legacy. Police human right violation starts from police station, that negative side you can write on this. Positive, negative you write about NIA, that we have told, that is how it is. Discuss significance and role of this. Again, it is a straightforward question. You can write whatever we have told, that is the answer. Yes, training may still you teach more physical strength, firing, etc., etc. Let's say. But you can tell that now gradually there is a change. Mission Karmi hogi, Jammu and Kashmir, Puducherry police like this. That we should write. Police reform remain contentious. So yes, why nahi hai to kyun nahi rahega? Right. So you write evolution of police reform, how it has not been taken up. Then write ki some of the reforms have been taken up, but they are not fundamental. When it is still fundamentally reform police, plus you write the 3 laws, conclude with those 3 laws. This now, should it be brought in concurrent list? That I have not told. Right? Maybe कि जो 3 pages बोला है उसमें लिखवाएंगे जब टाइम मिलेगा तो. Yes. Image of Indian police can be improved by its structure, orientation, or transformed radically. That is how the 7 steps reforms by Supreme Court, in that about police establishment board and police complaint authority, that will be the main aspect to create a democratic police force and accountable police. That I will deal, let's say, with those manualities like this. You write as per what we have taught. Institutional change is necessary but not sufficient condition. Institutional change can be related to, let's say, fast track courts that we have created, but they may not address this. Election Commission of India given some more powers to tackle it, but that is also not working, let's say. So we need to bring political will, basically. There should be more political will to tackle this rather than to just bring some reforms. How Supreme Court steps have not been effective. You write NIA wala part. State subject, we told that how, let's say, encroachment. Basically in 2019, amendment was brought. It is related to that aspect. It was given more police powers and more, let's say, that subjects under this, including cyber crimes and trafficking you can consider. So that is considered a bit encroachment on the state powers. This same, it is community policing, same question. This police need to be made accountable, freed from, it is at autonomy above police. Police should be given autonomy. It is law and order and investigation, police separation. So yes, it should be merit and demerit. So merit can be that it brings a specialization. Demerit is that it will bring watertight separation. Like those who have investigation officers, they should have also experience in field. Because field experiences can teach them better about investigation, the nuances, nitty-gritty of investigation. Otherwise, they will be like, let's say, staff and line agency type relation. That is how. The demerit, merit, you will write in this way. This same, it is community policing. Same like this. It is again about community policing. Right? So this is how it is. Let's take tomorrow.